Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing the DJI MINI2 drone. We bought this at the 3 Pro shop in Guntong, Hong Kong, in the same shop where we bought the Insta360 ONE X2 camera. If you haven't watched my video on that topic, you can check it out on my channel. Let's get started. First, we have a bag. This will make it easier to carry the drone around. This is the drone. Then the remote control unit. Oh yeah, this drone has a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal to make the video smooth and stable. There is a charger. There are 2 batteries. Then lastly, we have an ND filter set. This bundle is a shop-owned and has a slightly better component than the DJI Fly More combo. The price was around just over 5,000 Hong Kong dollar. And the staff were very helpful and give us quick flying lesson right there in the shop. Just need to put the phone in the remote control and connect with the cable. Then just press the button start so it can fly everywhere. That's all.